What is up, ninjas? What's up? I just wanted to welcome all of you guys to what I hope is going to be an amazing adventure moving forward. Listen, I've got so many ideas, member rewards, freebies, monthly freebies, and other things that I've been thinking about. Man, we're talking like badass stickers, pins, prints, and apparel, and these things just to begin. We're looking at one-on-one tutorials. We're going to do exclusive streams, access to the archives, and more. I'm so excited. What I really want is this to be an interactive experience. You know, not just me making art, but like all of us creating it together. I want you guys all to have a say in what I'm creating and then take part in art brainstorming, art direction, and execution. I want to include you guys in my art. Now, this is adult only due to the fact that some of my work is of an adult nature. Sorry, but welcome. We're gonna be able to do things here that we won't be able to do on other social media platforms, which is cool, gives us a little bit more freedom. Now listen, I'm not special, but we all got something to learn from each other, and that's part of the beauty of life and part of the beauty of art. All of your contributions are welcome and they're so deeply appreciated. I honestly love you all. I would not be here without any of you guys. So let's make this one of the best art experiences ever. I'm really looking forward to getting to know you guys and growing into something new and special. That's it. Thank you guys for everything, and thank you for what you can contribute. You guys, you all have a very special place in my heart. So, thank you, and let's do it.